This is the Galaxy S25 Edge. Samsung's latest flagship, or should I say, Edge ship, and it's bringing back a curved display, but with a twist. Let's talk about what's new, what works, and what still needs work. First off, the design. It's sleek. The S25 Edge brings back the curved display, but this time, it's a lot more subtle, more of an aesthetic curve than a functional one. The frame is titanium now, lighter and stronger, and the whole phone just feels refined. Like Samsung's been polishing the same stone for years, and now it's almost perfect. The 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED 2X display is just classic Samsung. 120Hz refresh rate, QHD plus resolution, insane brightness, over 2800 nits in direct sunlight. The colors pop, the contrast is deep, and outdoor visibility. Basically perfect. It also has HDR10 Plus and Corning Gorilla Glass ceramic too. Under the hood, it's rocking the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and yeah, it's fast. Apps open instantly, multitasking is smooth, and thermal performance has noticeably improved thanks to the new vapor chamber cooling. Samsung's also added something called Adaptive Performance Mode, which dynamically balances power boost. Samsung's camera game is still strong. The S25 Edge has a triple setup, 200MP main sensor, f/1.7, 24mm. 12MP ultra-wide, f/2.2, 13mm. And a front camera which has a 12-megapixel f/2.2, 26mm wide, with 4K at 60fps and 1080p at 60fps. The main sensor now has better low-light processing, and the HDR finally feels more natural. Zoom is impressive, and video stabilization is noticeably better, even at 8K at 30fps, 4K at 120fps and 1080p at 240fps. It ships with One UI 7 on top of Android 15. It's cleaner, a bit flatter in design, and finally less bloated out of the box. There's also deeper Galaxy AI integration, live call translation, and smart summarize in notes. It's still One UI, but now it feels lighter and smarter. Battery life is kind of lame. You get a 3900 mAh cell, and with adaptive refresh rate and Snapdragon efficiency, you can get a day or probably less. 25W wired charging is still here, and wireless charging is now at 15W. You still get IP68, stereo speakers, under-display ultrasonic fingerprint, and finally, support for satellite messaging. No headphone jack, obviously, but the haptics. Super tight. Easily top 3 on Android plus Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 along with NFC. If you want premium hardware, top-tier cameras, a great display, and smart features without switching ecosystems, this might just be your next phone. It's not flashy innovation. It's refined power. And I kinda dig that. What do you think about Samsung bringing the Edge back? Let me know in the comments. This has been the Galaxy S25 Edge. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Your subscription means a lot.